Today we talk about how can you add customers mail name on your MyFitnessPal. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on settings. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, click here on device settings. So when you click here on device settings, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on customers mail names, just click on it, then come to this list here. Then here, if you want to add new mail here, just click on it, then add here name, and so then it's going to add video. And here can you select here if you want to modify these names here. Then when you down go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.